To link the hemispheres of the brain, you can use alternate nostril breathing, also called Nadi Shodhana. And I'm going to demonstrate it here, and you are going to feel wonderful after doing this yoga breathing technique. Hi, my name is Michelle Fondin. I'm a yoga and meditation teacher and the author of 12 published books, including The 8 Limbs of Yoga for Modern Times, a practical guide to the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. You can find breathing techniques in this book. To begin Nadi Shodhana, make sure that your spine is nice and tall. Also, if your nose is a little stuffy, it might be a little bit challenging to practice Nadi Shodhana alternate nostril breathing. So use some tissue if you need to blow your nose, or if you're stuffy, then you can just do this technique on another day. Nadi Shodhana, as I mentioned, it links both hemispheres of your brain so that they work together in synchronistic harmony so that you can sleep better, so that you can have more focus and concentration at work, and so that you just feel better overall. Now, I am going to be using my right hand. It's going to look like my left hand to you on your screen, but go ahead and listen to the guidance as I guide you through Nadi Shodhana. Now, the count that we are going to be using, and you can multiply this as you get better, and better. The count is inhale for 2, hold it for 6, and exhale for 4. 2, 6, 4. Now, of course, you can multiply that as you get better at doing Nadi Shodhana. To begin, make sure your spine is nice and tall, and make sure you have your left palm facing up on your lap. You're going to take the first 2 fingers of your right hand, place them in between the eyebrows, and we are going to alternately close the right nostril with your thumb and the left nostril with the inside of your ring finger. Now, at times, we will hold both nostrils. So go ahead and take a deep cleansing breath in through your nose. Exhale completely. Block the right nostril with your thumb. Inhale through the left for 2 counts. Block both and hold. Exhale through the right for 4. Inhale through the right for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the left for 4. Inhale through the left for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the right for 4. Inhale through the right for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the left for 4. Inhale through the left for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the right for 4. Inhale through the right for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the left for 4. Inhale through the left for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the right for 4. Inhale through the right for 2. Hold for 6. Exhale through the left for 4. Bring both hands to your lap. Palms are facing up. Gently and easily bring your breath back to regular breath. Feeling the calm stillness of this beautiful breathing technique that has linked both hemispheres of your brain, has calmed your central nervous system, and allowed you to feel this sense of calm stillness within. How do you feel? I hope it feels as wonderful for you as it does for me. Now you know how to practice Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. Make sure to save this video so that you can refer back to it when you want to practice Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Thank you so much for your support of my channel. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. Give the video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. You can purchase the 8 Limbs of Yoga for Modern Times if you are a yogi or you know someone who is. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.